Destructive power. Nature can be beautiful, but it's also terrifying. Join us as we explore the destructive forces of Earth right now. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more. Lightning is one of the most dangerous natural phenomena, capable of causing severe consequences for humans and the environment. With its intense electrical power, a lightning bolt can reach temperatures of 20 degrees Celsius, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. The danger of lightning lies in its destructive power, potential to cause injury and death. Floods lies in the speed and destructive power of the water. Flash floods can sweep away everything beneath, from houses, vehicles, and trees to people. In just a matter of minutes, floods can cause deep inundation, severely damage infrastructure, destroy crops, and disrupt transportation, clean water supplies, and electricity.
Olha lá os carros! Olha os carros tudo, cara, olha lá! Uau, que loucura, mano! Olha lá os carros! Oh, caralho!
When a volcano is about to erupt, seismic activity increases and toxic gases such as sulfur dioxide and steam are released, forming thick clouds of smoke. The surface heats up, cracks appear, and deposit solar layers. Eruptions can cause flows of lava, ash, and hot gases, threatening life and property. Early warning and timely evacuation are crucial to minimizing damage. Earthquakes are natural phenomena which occur when tectonic plates in the Earth's crust shift suddenly, releasing massive amounts of energy. The shaking caused by earthquakes can destroy buildings, bridges, and roads, and trigger landslides. The severity of an earthquake depends on its magnitude, the depth of its epicenter, and the affected area. In addition to physical damage, earthquakes can lead to secondary disasters such as tsunamis, fires from landslides, and infrastructure damage. It is essential disaster. A tornado is an extreme weather phenomenon that occurs when hot and cold air meet, creating a powerful swirling column of air, with wind speeds exceeding 300 km. A tornado can sweep away houses, vehicles, and trees, causing severe damage. Its sudden appearance and destructive power make tornadoes a significant and unpredictable danger. Following warnings and seeking safe shelter is the best way to protect lives.
So this just happened. Heard it, a giant cracking sound outside our, apartment here in Brooklyn. Giant tree. It's a very old tree, like 100 years old.
Damaging property and threatening lives. When a strong storm approaches, following warnings and evacuating in time is crucial to minimize damage.
How the fuck am I supposed to get across this? Are you fucking serious? I don't think this is allowed. Oh fuck no. Hey yo, let us out.
Floating down the street. And so it begins. It was the end of times in New York City. Thanks to Mayor Adams, Joe Biden, Donald Trump, and Barack Obama.
The iceberg is melting in pieces due to weather factors.
你把这电动车给那车整的，哎呦妈，看到来球了，看看，哎呦我妈呀，这谁家电动车刮飞了？看那树，你快来往这走了。
看了，我管这边我都可以，老年好，我管。过来，又电线打火了，看到没？我管电打火了。